In this video, we will discuss about break and continue statement in JavaScript. Break statement jumps out of a loop when I have a keyword or break in any condition. Continue statement jumps over one iteration in the loop. It will skip the condition and the rest of the loop will be printed. Let's discuss this with the help of an example. In JavaScript, we discussed break in switch statement in cases the break came. Like there is case 1, case 2, case 4. If case 1 is true, the statement is also displayed. Then there is a keyword or break. So case 1 will be printed and all the other loops coming after will break. Break statement breaks the loop and continues executing the code after the loop, if any. Continue statement breaks one iteration from the loop. If a specified condition occurs, it continues with the next iteration in the loop. Then we have break label and continue label. Continue label comes with continue keyword. Then the name of label comes. We can give the name to label according to our choice. In break label, first is break keyword, then label's name. Name of label can be any. This also works in the same way. Let's see an example. I have a loop from 0 to 5. First, I have I equal to 0. 0 is less than 5, so the condition will be true. It is printed the number is 0. Then there is an increment in I. 1 is less than 5. It has printed this also. 2 is less than 5. It has printed this as well. Again, an increment in I. 3 is equal to 3. Here it has broken the loop and printed 0, 1, 2. If I see this, it has printed 0, 1, 2. Here, if in place of break, I keep continue with continue keyword and semicolon. It will print 0. 1 is less than 5. It will print this. 2 is also less than 5. It will print this. 3 is equal to 3, so it will continue. It will not print this. It will come on the loop. It will be incremented to 4. 4 is less than 5, so it will print this. Again, there will be an increment. 5 is not less than 5, so the loop will be terminated. If we refresh this and see, it will be 0, 1, 2, 4. Now we will go towards break label. Here there is name of label. We have taken an empty string with a loop of 0 to 4. We have written the name of label, which can be any. We have written loop 1 and have placed 2 dots in front of it. If I have I value 1, then it should break. Here I value is 0. String is empty. Is it will console log. There is an increment of 1. 1 is equal to 1. Condition is true. The loop has broken. Only 0 is printed. If we refresh and see, it has printed 0. If I do continue with continue keyword and label's name. In continue, 1 won't be printed. 0, 2, 3, 4 will be printed. If I refresh and check, it has printed 0, 2, 3, 4, hasn't printed 1. We have break and continue keyword, then label's name. In simple statement, we only use break and continue keyword.